Karen Sullivan, the Education Manager here at the National Bighorn Sheep Center. Did you know that horns and antlers are not the same? In this video today, I'll be talking to you about some of their differences. This is a horn from a Rocky Mountain Bighorn sheep. This one is from the ram, which is the male Rocky Mountain Bighorn sheep. And this is from the ewe, or the female Rocky Mountain Bighorn sheep. This is an antler from a deer. Horns are made of keratin, which is what our hair and fingernails are made of. Antlers are made of a bony material. Another difference is that horns stay on the animal their whole life. They continue growing, and antlers are shed and regrow every year. The way that horns stay on the animal and keep growing is through this structure called an ossicone. This is a bony structure, a bony part of the skull that has a blood supply that keeps that horn growing through the whole life of the animal. The horn sheath can fall off after the animal dies. Now, antlers are attached more flatly to the skull like this. There's no ossicone involved, and they just easily fall off each year, and then they regrow into usually larger ones the following year. Horns are found in both male and female of the species that have horns, whereas antlers are only found in the males, except in the case of caribou. Both male and female caribou do have antlers. And one exception to the rule that horns grow the whole life of the animal is the pronghorn. Pronghorn antelope do have horns. They're made of keratin, and inside it even looks kind of hair-like, but these do fall off each year and then regrow, just the horn sheath part. That ossicone is still there all year round. Now, animals that live in Wyoming that have horns include, of course, the Rocky Mountain Bighorn sheep, mountain goats, and bison. And animals that live in Wyoming that have antlers include white-tailed deer, mule deer, elk, and moose. So I hope you enjoyed this short video about the differences between horns and antlers.